people have been asking to know more about our life and to see more videos about what we actually do in our day. So this video is going to be you watching me clean my 1,500 square feet of tile downstairs. Let's get started. Just kidding. Let's go to Disneyland.
All right, we're parked in Woody 24A.
Come into our stop. Park hours 9. California Adventure. Close at 10. Then we'll close at 12. Last bus, 1 a.m. Last bus, 1 a.m.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another awesome day, another awesome vlog. We have made it back to Disneyland for a really fun night here. We've already eaten dinner. We found these guys here tonight. And we're gonna go have some fun. We may have some other friends meeting up with us later depending on whether they make it or not. It's supposed to rain tonight, so we're gonna get some fun in before it starts raining and then make it home safe and sound. Let's go. Okay, this is the entrance to the Scary Adventures of Snow White, but if you touch the apple, you can hear the witch laughing. Are you ready?
Do it one more time.
Okay.
I think they could hear it.
Yeah. We're going in dopey.
We're gonna get dopey.
Perfect.
I refuse to ride in dopey.
All right, everybody, our friend Jason has just made it. You've seen him before because we met up with him at Disneyland in the past, but we're happy he made it. We're gonna do some fun things hopefully before it starts raining too much, but right now, we're going on Mr. Toad's.
Did you get us in? Are we picked yet?
Almost.
Can't see her. Explain what she's doing.
She's trying to get me to marry her again, is what she's trying to do at Disneyland. She's trying to set me up.
You know it.
She's trying to get another rock out of me.
Per my recommendation.
Yeah, it's all Jason's fault.
Oh, smart. We gotta get the economy going, you know?
So thanks to Jason, while we were in line for the carousel, he was telling us that Disneyland right now is taking open casting? Is that what, or
Something like that.
applications for their fairy tale weddings. So anyone that is getting engaged, renewing their vows, or getting married can apply to have their Disney dream wedding. And we just applied, and it was so awesome. And it's really cool, especially because any of you that watched the video saw that for our 10-year wedding anniversary, Bill proposed again in front of the castle here. So that's awesome. We're gonna get it.
I hope they do.
And this video is from Christmas time.
Yeah. They still have all their Christmas.
It's actually
this
not.
little side
Yeah, it's February.
shot.
What is the date
February
today?
1st.
February 1st. And they still have Christmas. Is it on discount?
Look at this. Look, it's a sign. It is a sign, you guys.
I sure hope I'm in focus.
Just married.
It's hard to tell.
It's funny that's right there.
I've never been in this shop ever.
Really?
Yeah, why do they still have Christmas up? This is what all the cast members look like when it starts to rain in Disneyland. They're all prepared right there. Thanks, guys. Kick his butt. Kick his butt. Ah! Honey, the middle of his chest over and over again. Honey.
Doesn't work well enough. My friend doesn't work well enough.
Do you see the Z in his chest? Jason, do you see the Z
Oh, I
in his
see it.
chest? right below it, you see the two lines of his chest plate? Shoot right in between them. It's a secret spot.
I'm invincible, do you hear me? Invincible! Please follow. Destroy certain secret weapon.
Did you catch her?
My gun was terrible.
Yeah, but he was like 80,000 behind you
And he caught up.
because I told him where to shoot.
Honor serving with you.
Tell him what you're doing.
Okay, we're looking for our picture. For when you're writing it, it shows you your picture, and so I'm going to email it to us, but I got to find it first. Is this us? That's us.
Yeah, she's found it.
And I found yours too, honey.
All right, email me mine too. Okay.
His legs are in the way.
All right, everybody, we had a really fun time at Disneyland. We got some really fun things in before it started to rain. We're really glad that our friend Jason was able to come because we always have a good time when he's here. And of course, it was nice to see my mom and dad as well. I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
All right, it's raining. Let's go home.
Let's go. The ground is wet. It's starting to rain. We gotta go.
All right, let's get home before the freeways get too wet.
Okay, come on.